Yeah, look at Ken up $1.25 in your net leg. I didn't even check mine. I'm almost about ready to just stop watching the market. Don't even care about it. Just don't even. I'm gonna follow my metrics. Who cares if the market? Now this is what we call a range day, y'all. Look at this: ups and downs, or I'm sorry, downs and ups and downs and ups and downs, and everybody's just chilling out. We are percolating until some big announcement that I don't give a rat's arse about. I do not care. So very cool. I know some of y'all are on the edge of your seats. Oh my God, what if they only cut 0.5? What if they took? Who cares? Who gives a flip, right? Who gives a flip? Trade your plan, baby. All right, what's the plan say? Let's see what the plan say. What the plan say? Where's all my spreadsheets for the love? We got one of them. Geez, let's go. We'll do this one first. Well, we always do the tasty one first, don't we? Let's do it first. All right. Tasty work spreadsheet. All right, so let's get it up, so to speak. All right, here we go. Tasty spreadsheet. What's the tasty spreadsheet look like? Okay, looks like this. So let's go put in our little what we call metrics. So let's pull up the tasty count. I'll move it off so y'all can't see the account number, so I don't get in trouble. I got no problem with y'all seeing account numbers. I don't like when they call me and say, excuse me, Mr. Gaines, and I go, it's Dr. Gaines, actually. No, I don't actually do that. All right, 35, 92907, 35, 92907, 35, 35, 9, oh, 35. How am I down? We've been up for so long. I mean, I'm not used to losing money. We lost $45. Jeez Louise.
Well, I know where $1.25 of it went.
You robber, you thief, Ken. Ken's pulling my money. Oh, behave. Okay, so we got that out. That's good. Look at Ken. I mean, you think Ken ain't taking mama out for a steak dinner tonight, huh? At the Applebee's? All right, so over here, my deltas, I say, are 25. So look, y'all, if my delta go up, I don't need to look at the market. I know the market has gone down, right? That's what increased my deltas. Now, what happened to my theta? I bet it went up a bit. Yeah, look, see, thetas get thicker when the market goes down. So I'm at 0.14. What is old Vixaruni at? Probably the same. I mean, I know it's 25 or 26. I mean, it doesn't matter, right? As long as it's in the 20s, this thing's always going to be the same. So 25, I probably should look at it. So I could go as high as 0.3, and I can go as high as, let's see what our buying pair is, 9102.50. 9102.50. All right, so we are at 25%, could be at 35%. I mean, I look at this and I go, oh, Bob, what could you do? Well, I could put on a trade, or I can sit on my flabby butt that ain't as flabby as it used to be. For those of y'all saw my weight loss pictures on Facebook yesterday. I mean, here's my goal. I told my trainer, my goal is for you to be able to flip a quarter off of my butt. Because I'm gonna tell you something, there's some old gals that work out in that gym every day. You could, honest to God, if they was laying down on the ground, you could flip a quarter off their butt. It was so hard. And I'm like, that's what I want. That's what I want. One old gal in there, she wears a shirt that points down to her butt on her back, and it says, this is why I do squats. I said, there is no justice in this world if I don't have the same t-shirt. So I got to find that one. This is, maybe we'll do a Trader Nerd shirt that says, this is why I trade. This is why, well, I don't know, what would we point to? That's the problem. I mean, where are we going to point to? This is why I trade. I don't know. I got no idea. But I want one that says, this is why I squat. So let's see. What was I saying? Oh, so I could either put on a trade or not put on a trade. You know what, though? I'm a risky boy. Bobby, aren't you going to wait till the 2 o'clock? I don't give a rat's about the 2 o'clock announcement. You shouldn't either. So let's put on a trade. What do you say? All right. Are you scared, Bob? No, I'm scared of no market. All right. So let's go in here and trade. Let's do our little, what do you say? 112 trade, 58 days. A long put vertical. I want that too, but my wife was shot me dead twice. Yeah. And trust me, I'm not like going through the gym saying, did you know, ma'am, that you could really flip a quarter off your butt? I'm not telling anybody that. I don't want you. Now, when Beth is there, I'll say, Beth, look at that old gal right there. You could flip a quarter. She's like, will you shut up? She doesn't even like to associate with me when we're in the gym together. And I've said, you just gotta, I mean, you notice I'm a people watcher. You gotta watch people. And they are interesting. So here we go. Let's get this down to about $10. What do you say? $10. Look at us floating through here like it ain't nothing. Look at us. There's a $10 one. Now we don't want to buy where we sold. We don't sell where we buy. So I'll go here. $10. We'll just sell one and buy one. We'll make it 10 1/4. We should get sale. Fill me, baby. That's what another one I need too. I need a shirt that says "Fill me, baby," but instead of FEEL, which is FILL, and they'll be like, look at Dr. Gaines there. He's so stupid. It says "Fill me, baby," and they're thinking about feed. No. We're talking about the markets. You nasty-minded people. People with nasty minds. What is wrong with y'all? Y'all got to get back into the Sunday school. All right, here we go. But y'all, I'm really proud of my Sunday school class. They said, Bobby, since you're acupuncture, we can tell you're a little bit, you're not as cuckoo. You're not as wild as you once were. I'm like, well, thank you. I think that's a good thing. All right, so here we go, y'all. Let's do 2 of these puppies right here and swing for the fence. But dang it. Oh, and I hadn't told y'all this, y'all. I know a lot of y'all been poo-pooing on Ed and his T-bills. Y'all got T-bills, Schnee-bills. Not enough risk for me. Hey, Ed's making an extra $2,000 in his account here because he's putting his little money market funds into the T-bills. So y'all know that little $3,000 account I had yesterday? I said, I'm gonna buy me a T-bill. So y'all, I've got an order in. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have never bought a T-bill, never thought about a T-bill, and I'm gonna be a T-biller. I cannot wait. I'm buying a 4-week T-bill. How about that? I mean, it's money just sitting there, right? Might as well do something with it. Buy a T-bill. And unless the government goes out of business, we should be fine. All right, so everybody content, everybody satisfied. Now, in this account, I do not track trades because I'm trying to show y'all you ain't got to. Here's all you need right here. I am convinced you can run a $1 billion hedge fund with this right here. This is all you need. Okay, this is all you need. You can trade gold with this. You can trade oil with this. You can trade natural gas, whatever you can do it with this right here. Now, if you don't like my metrics, make your own. Change the thing, make your own dang metrics. But all you need is theta, buying power, maybe delta. That's all you need. Isn't that cool? All right, so we're looking good. Now, y'all, let's see. Let's go get me another account. Bobby says I had a T-bill expire yesterday and bought another one today. Look at us. Ed's got us all doing this stuff. Isn't that cool? We're T-billers. Ed says I'm here to help peeps with T-bills if they need help. It's foreign to people until they do it, like the first time you buy, sell a future. Yeah, I was a T-bill virgin, and Ed took away my virginity. Thank you, Ed. So to speak. Ed, you robbed the cradle with me, young man. Oh my gosh, where are we going? All right, what am I doing? I was doing something else. Oh yeah, let's go to the Crimson account. So I got to open that spreadsheet. All right, here we go. Jeez Louise, y'all have really taken me off of the beaten path here. Okay, so let me open my IRA. All right, but we're going to do the Sweet Bobby spreadsheet first. So let's get it down. Which one is it? That's going to be spreadsheets here. IRA, Sweet Bobby. Here we go. All right, let's bring this one down. Let's see how we're doing here. Here you are, little baby. Some of y'all got 3 or 4 of these for your accounts. That's fine. You could consolidate them all your accounts on one spreadsheet, I guess. Whatever you want to do. All right, are we up and down in this account? Come on, I got to play the Jeffersons today. It's almost like a daily thing. Look, y'all, when's the last time we've not played the Jeffersons? Right? We've been up. Come be up just a little bit, just $1. Let's do $1.25 like Ken. Let's take Mama to the McDonald's. All right, so here we go. We found out how to show it to you here. 27,037.72. 27,043.22. 27,043. Down $16. Life is not worth living. I'm going to quit. Here we go. So let's take our groupies off. Take our groups off. All right. So we're down a bit. No big deal. Hey, pretty good though, right? So 1786 and 39. 1786 and 39. 17.86 and 39. And Dick's around 25, 26. So we are at 0.4. Let's see where our buying power is because we were kind of close to maxing it out, right? We're kind of getting up there. All right, so we are at 97.21. 97.21. Uh-oh. 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 Front row, Shaggy. Oh. Hey. All right, so what would you do? Nothing. Well, I'm fine, right? So look, this is fine. Yeah, 0.4, I could be as high as 0.3. Okay, so I'm a little heavy on my buying power. Okay, big deal. My deltas, look at there, y'all. Are y'all noticing? A lot of people have been noticing the low deltas. It's because of those big old offensive linemen that are in front of my quarterback that are blocking. So my delta is 17. I could be a size 54. What would you do? What would you do? What would you do? Now, some of y'all are a little bit nervous and you're like, oh my gosh. Stacy thinks she's in the wrong group. Oh heavens. All right, here we go. All right, we're back on track. All right, so here we go. So this is good, and this is, yeah, huh? All right, so what can I do? Okay, here's what I could do, right? I could, let's talk about this. Y'all want a whiteboard? Let's do the whiteboard. Y'all remember what's his name that used to be on NBC? What was his name? Tim Russell, Russet, whatever his name. I love that dude. Big old bug-eyed dude, and he would just whoop out his whiteboard and with his little crayon, and he'd tell you all about the legends and stuff. It was so good. I love that dude. All right, so I'll pull out my whiteboard, okay? So, buying pair too high. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dr. Bobby's class in the University of Alabama. All right. Oh, by the way, if you want to take my Alabama class, University of Alabama, let me know, send me a little message, email, and I'll give you the information on how you sign up. It's kind of cool, right? It's personal investments. It's going to be great. It starts in January. All right. So we go through a lot of stuff there. A lot of book reading, a lot of stuff. All right. So buying power too high. Problem. Solution. Let's find a solution. All right. What could I do, people?
You can do nothing.
Huh, look at this. Exactly. Ken says, you know what? If you're comfortable, do nothing. Absolutely. And that's probably my first thing, right? Is I could do nothing.
You only blew it by 3%.
Yeah, well, not even really. I mean, it says I could be 35%. I'm
That's what I mean. It's
35
like
point-
3% of the 35%, you're 3% over.
Yeah, I'm just,
Yeah,
I'm nothing, right? So the solution is do nothing. So I don't want y'all to panic, just see red. But let's say that you're really, 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 let's say that you're really, really kind of nervous. So, oh my gosh, what happens at 2 o'clock today? Oh, we only got an hour or so. And you're okay, what else could I do?
Close a trade.
Close a trade. Now, which one would I close, Stacy?
I would close one that was profitable.
Yeah. So I could close profitable and it'd probably be a naked put, right? Yeah, close a naked put to get your buying power out back in line. Absolutely. So we could close a trade. So, you go to your little thingy-majig and you say, okay, what am I going to do here? All right, so here's what I would do. If you're wanting to do that, I would say, I would group them by days, right here. So I like taking off risk if we're going to in the nearest expiration, right? Now, here's what Ed would do. Ed go over here and mark. He said, yeah, but Bobby, you could, this one's for 95 cents. You make it most profitable here, or you could do most profitable, but this way, this naked put out 16 days, but that's probably part of a, what do you call, put debit spreads. I probably wouldn't do that. So you could do this, right? Where you could find the mark of these things, the lowest one. But I'd probably just go to the days, right? Days, here it is. So, and I know that like this one and this one are married together. Let's put debit spreads. This one and this one are married. And then we got two little gigolos down here at the bottom just hanging out all by themselves. 31.90 and the 32.90. So as I look at him, I go, well, hello. How you doing? You come here often? Do you bring the potato salad? So I could actually close him for a 92% winner. I sold him at, I don't know, what, $12, $11 or something. And I can close him for $1.65. Take your money and run, right? Take your money and run. But I'm not going to do it because we just want you to see how you would, I recommend, here's what I'm going to do. You do what you do, baby. I would recommend if you're going to take risk off, take it off in the nearest expiration. Don't even worry about this crap. Don't worry about it. Worry about these. So I only got two little fellas right here that are unmatched with the debt with a put, with a positive put, right, to make it a spread. So, you know, here's where risk would come off if I needed to, but I don't need to. I think I'm
Bobby,
fine
I
there.
wouldn't take off. I wouldn't take off either one of those, by the way.
Yeah, look at that. Ed's chiming in. He says, you know what? Screw that.
But if that 28-day, 2,800 strike where you have two of them,
Mm-hmm.
if that was about 50 cents cheaper, I'd
Yeah.
look to take that off.
For about $1.
Or maybe, yeah, $1 or less, probably
Yeah.
less.
Yeah.
But, you know, and I don't want to mess up your FOMC thing. If that were mine, I'd take those off probably right now and look to leg into maybe, I'd look at the put debit spread that's attached to that. And I'd take those off and I'd look to leg into something higher, maybe like a 3,000 strike.
Mm-hmm.
And sell two of those and bring in maybe 10 more dollars of premium. You know what I'm saying? Like replace those in the same day DTE in that situation.
Yeah.
It's subjective management. I mean, it's discretionary, but
Yeah.
I'm removing the risk, and it's just notional risk, not the risk of it actually being hit.
Sure.
I don't think anything's going to happen today that's going to put the 2,800 in play. You know, so I just want to throw that out there while you're mentioning my name and what I might be doing. They pretty much have to be below $1. And I would take them off a little above $1 if I was looking at rolling up the naked puts in that particular tranche, which is what I basically just said, like cover those 2,800s. I would wait for the Fed announcement for better or worse, or put one on now and wait and do the other one after, like in the 3,000 or 3,100 strike. Just replace your crazy way out of the money strike with the still way out of the money strike and bring in fresh premium, because you just don't have a lot left to earn in the next 28, a buck. You know, even in the E-minis, this is what, $52 or something?
Yep. Yep.
You know, and look, again, like I said, after the meeting yesterday, thank you all for bearing with me on that.
I had to
I'm
call
not
Ed
trying to
last
change
night. I was
anyone's
like, Ed,
mind.
are
I'm
you
just
on the
trying to
ledge?
throw
You about-
concepts out there, you know, so do you want to be short 2,800s? Do you want to be short 3,000 or 30-50 strikes in the same DTE and bring a fresh batch of theta in? That's all.
Yeah, good stuff.
Oh, and on the T-bill thing, I mean, like, y'all just message me on the T-bills. I'm still happy to help people for people that want the help. I'm just not going to put the free money sign out too often from now on.
I like it. Let's see. Here's the account that I'm putting the thing in, and then the order's not to tomorrow, right? So I got this is the one I'm putting the T-bill account in. So we'll see. So let's go back to Crimson. All right. So good discussion, right? Don't overthink it, y'all. Just don't overthink this stuff. You know, what are your metrics? Are you comfortable with your metrics? That's the first question you should say. If I'm comfortable doing nothing, I could close the trade. We figured out different ways to close the trade, right? To take off some buying power, take off a little bit of theta, take off a little, you know, you close trade. All right. So what's another thing you could do? Anybody? You could buy a put or put debit spread. Well, now what's buying a put or put debit spread going to do? That's going to give you negative theta. It's going to take negative buying power. That's going to give you a little buying power decrease. Okay, buying power too high. This is what we're looking at. Now, you could sell a call, but if you sell a call, it's probably just going to offset your buying power, right? Since you've got so many naked puts on, so you could sell a call or do a call spread. So what this would do by selling a call is it's going to increase your theta. It's going to decrease your delta, and your buying power probably going to be about the same. So that's not really a offset for buying power. It's more of an offset for your theta, for if you wanted theta higher, but you wanted your deltas lower. Okay. So the other thing you could do is you could sell a future, a micro future in this account, sell an MES future. Well, what is that going to do? Well, that's going to leave your theta the same. That's going to decrease your deltas, and it's going to give you a little bit of buying power relief. Okay, so that's one thing you could do. It's not necessary though. This is kind of I'm kind of really concerned, you know. I wouldn't do that. All right, so the next thing that you could do is what? Let's see, we closed the trade, we bought a put, we sell a call. Have we done everything? What else could I do? close a trade, put on a new trade, sell a call. Yeah, I think that's all we could do. Isn't that cool? So now you got a little guideline that you can say, well, what can I do? And this all needs to be in your trading plan so that when crap hits the fan, you know what to do. This affects this affects that, this affects that. Okay, good stuff. Any questions or comments on that? All right, let's go to the other account. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to put on a trade. I'm not going to increase my risk. I'm not going to close anything either. I'm kind of happy. Kind of happy. If you have to get back into line, you know, no big deal. Get it back into line. Like we just told you how to do. But I'm perfectly comfortable with my risk. All right, let's go to the final account, which is the old IRA account here. This one. Yeah. So here we go. And on this one, this one is we're gonna be down on this one too. 104,054. 104,054. 104,054. Yeah. Oh man, I'm so close too. Dang it. 104,054. Not used to losing money on my new management techniques. This is terrible. 22, 22. All right, so we lost $86. Dang it. Now look, y'all, I want y'all to see our net lick has been just flying up. Look at this. The last time you and I lost money, was on October the 14th. So we were down 1 day in October. We were down 2 days in October. 3, 4, right? 5. Help me out. 5 days in October. That's kind of cool, y'all. When you look back over that. So every now and then we're gonna take a little nosedive. All right, so let's go put our Greeks and ratios in, shall we? So here we are, 46 and 92. 46 and 92. 46. Come on, get me over 0.10. Come on, get what? What's that? 46. What the heck? Oh, 92. No wonder. There we go. I ain't quite there. And my fix is around 25 or so, I'm guessing. So, and what's our buying pair over here? Buying pair over here is 27,499. 27,499. All right, what am I going to do over here? Okay, so we're at 26%. We could be at 35. My deltas are 46. Could be at 208. Look at this. I'm still blue. Am I blue? So I have got to increase my theta. Hey, you want to wait till after the Fed announcement? Go ahead. Not me, baby. I'm taking action. I am a decisive man. I am going into the market. I am putting my toe in. Bobby, why ain't you waiting? I'm a warrior, baby. That's what I am. I am a dang warrior. So we're going to do 2 of the 3150s. And we got filled over here for 1150. Oh boy, it looks like we might get a little bit more. Maybe. Let's do it. Come on, baby. Hit me with your best shot. Look at us at 1175. Yeah. Let's go put that in. Over here. Bobby, why are you doing one account one way, another account? Because I'm an experimenter. I'm a scientist. It's just who I am. 2. And we'll go NP 19. They could put 19 and we did the 3150. Hits. Remember, we can now do calls again. I'm back into the call bucket. Why, Bobby? Because we're not managing trades, we're managing the portfolio, and I can use a call as a tool. It's an arrow in my little quiver if I want to use it. It's not something I'm going to turn to first, but it is in there. It's a tool. Why would I not use a tool? If I want to increase my theta and reduce my delta and keep my buying power the same, I've got a tool. All right. So we got filled for 1150 there. Brought in a sweet credit of oh, sorry. That's a naked. Make sure you get your naked right and your debit spreads right. Go to the naked. Naked. There we go. So we brought in a nice credit of $112.06. All right, so let's go grab us a little debit spread. I'm gonna do one little tranche of that, and we'll call him PDS 19. Bobby, do you have to call you stuff, anything anymore? No, that's fine. 36 turning, 35.50 puts, debit spread 58, 11, 2, 22. But y'all see, I think the thing that I'm trying to convey to you is after this Fed announcement, we may get a big move in the market. Do I care which way it goes? Not really. Now, will I take a little peek and go, oh no, man, think I'm gonna, yeah. If it's down again, might I put on another trade? Yeah, I might. I'm not opposed to it. But the problem is, what if it goes up? The problem if it goes up, I'm gonna be really glad I put this trade in, right? Have I done this yet? Yeah, I did that. Okay, did that. So now I'm gonna do the put debit spread, which is 3,600, 35.50. 3,600, 35.50. So let's buy him. Hold your control key down, kiddos, or you'll never figure out how to do this little trade. All right, 3,650, 1025 debit, dag it. We don't want to pay that, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try to do it without doing 1050. Don't behave. Gonna let me go to 1050. Dang it. 3,600, 3,650, 1050. I don't want to do that. Now you can try 1030, but it's going to reject your order. Gotta be order increments. Okay, we're at 1050. Big hoodoo. So we're in at 1050. Okay, so brought in $112, $55 there. I always like seeing what it did to my theta. So my theta is 95.11. See how that looks. 95.11. Oh man, still didn't get me over the hump, but that's fine. Like I said, if I take a gander later today and I see the market goes down big after the Fed announcement, because we might get some increased movement, I could go in and put in another one in. I just want to increase this every day. I want to see this going up. Right? 85. Oh crap, it went down. Got to start going back up. Got to build it up. If you don't, you're going to underperform the market. We don't want to underperform the market. Right? Now, even with all my dumb stuff, let's show you how we doing. This account's up 2.33%. Should be up a lot more if we just taken these profits. No, we had to do SPX. We had to do E-minis. We had to do all this other garbage. So we made $8,000, which is not reflected here because of our dumb trades. And how is SPY doing during that same time period? So even with my dumb trades, even doing stupid stuff, things that I should have done, I am way outperforming the market, baby. I'm proud of that. Sit back and relax. Ken, I have a question when you are done. Okay, a big one. Then I have a post-recording question. I don't want. Yes, I'm telling you, good. And we'll have a post-recording session as well. So we've been doing those. A lot of y'all feel freer to speak during our after live session. Now, I understand that. Because, you got Mark out there watching our videos. It says a lot of garbage is coming out of my mouth. So let me tell you something, Mark. Blow it out your back end, buddy. No, I'm just joking. Lord Jesus loves you, and so do I. I just need to remember that because sometimes I don't. All right, no questions on the thing. We will see y'all tomorrow.